In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIFS in LibreOffice Calc. SUMIFS is perfect when you need to add numbers that meet more than one condition. Think of it as a smart calculator. You point it to the numbers you want to total, then tell it what to include based on matching labels and rules. To make this clear, we'll work with a small example and build the formula step by step. First, prepare your data in 3 columns. In column A, list the product names. In column B, put the quantities. In column C, record the sales amounts. For example, enter pen with a quantity of 10 and sales of 100. Pencil with a quantity of 20 and sales of 200. Pen with a quantity of 15 and sales of 150. And pen with a quantity of 5 and sales of 50. Our goal is to add up the sales values only for rows where the product is pen and the quantity is greater than 10. This keeps the example simple while showing exactly how SUMIFS filters and sums at the same time. Next, click an empty cell where you want the result to appear, such as C6. Picking a blank cell helps keep your output separate from the source data so you don't overwrite anything accidentally and you can see the result clearly. Now type the formula exactly like this. SUMIFS C1 C4 A1 A4 pen B1 B4 10. Here's what each part means. C1 C4 is the sum range, the sales numbers we're adding. A1 A4 is the first criteria range, where we'll match the product. Pen is the first criterion, so only rows labeled pen qualify. B1 B4 is the second criteria range, the quantity column. 10 is the second criterion, which includes only quantities strictly greater than 10. Notice that text criteria like pen go in quotes, and comparison operators like 10 also go in quotes. Depending on your regional settings, Calc may use commas instead of semicolons between arguments. If so, replace the semicolons with commas. Also make sure your ranges cover only the rows with data. If you use a header row in your own sheet, adjust the ranges to exclude it. Press Enter to calculate. The result is 150. That's because among the pen rows, only the one with quantity 15 meets the greater than 10 condition, and its sales value is 150. The rows with quantities 10 and 5 don't qualify, so they're not included. And that's it. Prepare the data, choose a result cell, enter the SUMIFS formula with the right ranges and criteria, and confirm. You now know how to use SUMIFS in LibreOffice Calc to sum exactly what you need.